G'day guys, how you going? You know, today I think is a great day to talk about two things. One, parking your motorcycle in the city. And the second, well, the security of our motorbikes in the city. And I've come up with a solution that caters for both of these problems. And this solution is employing the latest in micro valve technology and Wi-Fi remote. So come with me and I'll show you what the fix is. Okay, just a little bit about the technology of this device before we get right into giving a demonstration. And I just want to emphasize that that the micro vacuum tube that is responsible for the entire genius of this device was actually manufactured over in Malta, tropical Malta, and the design of it was by their finest gynecologists. Now, when it comes to the installation of the particular device, there will be schematics available. Now, the schematics are actually very, very simple to follow. Not complicated at all. In fact, it would probably take the absolute layman anything up to a month to do the install, so that's quite acceptable. Again, the whole situation, or the whole system I should say, runs off of this key fob. It slides back and reveals 4 buttons. Button number 1, which I'll show you in a minute, activates everything. Button number 2 returns everything. Button number 3, that activates a proximity alarm, and number 4 is a panic alarm. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a demonstration of this security system, and I think you'll be pretty impressed. Okay, here we go. What do you reckon? Check it out. Check it out. You know, there you have it. Check it out. Check that out. No more parking problems. No more security. You can pick this up, put it in your pocket, go anywhere you like. Not a problem, not a problem. So there you go. Check it out. One shrunken down ZX14. Hey, pretty amazing. Like I said, some think it's alien technology, but again, thanks to the genius of the gynecologists over in Malta, able to produce such a thing. So, and to simply, upsize it again when you come back from work, you finished work, all you got to do is walk out into the street, just simply, put your bike down, like so, grab your remote control, slide it back, and just simply hit number 2. Check it out. Hey, how good's that? Hey, how good is that? Wow. So the next thing I'll run through with you is the proximity alarm. So we'll check that out. Now the proximity alarm is very easy to activate. Again, you just press button number 3 on the 4-button remote, and any person, you know, that's sort of, you know, I suppose a bit above child height, gets anywhere near close to the bike, you've got to be prepared for a bit of a shock. I'll show you. And I can't get any closer to this. In fact, me just stand here, the second I press the button, it's going to activate the proximity alert, so be aware of it. I can deactivate it by pressing number 3 again. Get ready for it. Sensitive ears, be warned. Okay, you ready for this? Oh. Tell you what, goes straight through these industrial headphones. So there you have it. You know, an amazing piece of equipment. Anybody who wants to know any more about it, like, subscribe, or give me a message. Okay,